Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm gonna give you a review of a new product line that I found. I'm talking about the Chihuahua Cosmetics. This is the first ever miniature cosmetics line in the Philippines. And if you're interested on knowing more about this product, just keep on watching. Okay lovely, so we will start with the face products, and I have here the Chihuahua foundation powder in light medium. Its total net weight is 3.6 grams and it has SPF 15. Okay, so this is in the shade light medium and wala siyang applicator. So I will use the mini angled Kabuki Brush, also from Chihuahua. This one cost 239 pesos. 239 pesos din nga pala ito. So, ito muna i-apply natin gamit lang tong powder. So, I already prepped my skin with moisturizer. So, diretso na tayo sa product. With the foundation product. Now, I'll go next to the blush. Ito yung blush. So, yan siya. So, the shade I got is with Salmon. And 3.6 grams din yung net weight nito. So, the blush, this is 259 pesos. Okay, so, opening the product, ito siya. So, mayroon din siyang mirror. So, I will try to apply it muna. So, itong nakuha kong shade, it comes with parang mayroon siyang konting highlighter. So, this one, I will use it. So, I'm done with the blush. And I have nothing special to do dito naman. So, okay na ako yan. And now, we will go next with the eye product. So, I have here this is the Eyebrow product. Yung shade niya, it's natural brown. And isang shade lang ang meron sila para sa eyebrow product. And then, I have here the eyeliner. Ito rin, natural black. So, isang shade lang din yung meron sila. Both of these are, this cost 129 pesos. So, hindi ko lang alam kung gaano kadami yung product. So, 129 sa ganito kaliit. Ito siya. Okay, itatalo na. Ayan. So, I will start with the eyebrow. Pero, okay pa naman yung eyebrow ko. Kaya hindi kasi ako ganun kagaling sa eyebrow. So, I'm gonna try it muna. I'm not sure if you can see any significant change, but yun na. I just made yung mga light strokes lang to fill in the gap sa eyebrows ko. So that's it. I wish meron akong spoolie ngayon, pero I think that will work for now. Okay, now we will go on with the eyeliner. done with the eye products. And now, to finish off this look, gagamit naman tayo nung kanilang matte lipstick. So, I got the shade. Ito yung matte lipstick nila. Kaliitan din, diba? So, the matte lipstick, I got it in the shade Cherry Pop. And then, it contains 1.5 grams of product. And this cost 159 pesos. So, ito na yung dulo ng lipstick. Now, I'm gonna apply it to my lips. Done with my trial of the products. So far, I like what I look right now. Pero, still, I have to give my verdict dun sa products na ginamit ko. Okay, lovely. So, tapos na akong i-apply yung makeup sa aking face. And now, we will proceed with the verdict. So, it's actually 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And marami ng ingay sa paligid ko. Please ignore them as much as possible. And just focus yourself on the review. Okay, so what is my first impression on the product? Initial impression ko. So, I first found out about these products last year in a DDG event. So, meron silang isang section doon or kiosk. And then, I noticed that yung mga products ang liliit. Sabi ko, ang cute, ang tidy, basta, ang classic tingnan. Pero, bakit ang liliit? And then, sabi ko, wow, how about I try it? Kaya lang, napansin ko na walang applicators mostly yung kanilang products. Especially, for example, ito, yung foundation, wala siyang applicator, wala siyang puff or anything. The only applicator that they have is this Kabuki Brush, which is also sold out na, I mean, not sold out. They sell it out separately. So, if you want this, you have to buy another, you have to buy the Kabuki Brush separately. So, sabi ko, hindi siya wise, money-wise, hindi siya wise bilhin. So, for that time, hindi ko muna siya ginawa, hindi siya muna binili. And then, I found out, lately lang, na meron silang Effortless Kit na tinatawag, which is, nakalagay na siya sa isang pouch. Ito na siya. Ito na siya kaliit. You already have the eyes, the lips, and the face makeup that you need. So, sabi ko, this is okay, especially if you travel, or also if you want to bring makeup every day sa work or sa school. Sobrang okay siya kasi maliliit nga lang yung products. So, sabi ko, okay, go. Yun. So, that's my initial impression with the products. So, second is, hold on, I have a sheet here. Second is, do you like how it felt on your skin? So, let's check one product first at a time. So, first of all, yung foundation. So, for the foundation, guys, medyo, if you're gonna use the Kabuki Brush, messy siya at the same time, wasteful. Bakit? Yung Kabuki Brush kasi, ito, makikibin natin yung Kabuki Brush. Yung Kabuki Brush kasi, hindi siya soft. May katigasan siya. Hindi siya kagaya ng ibang Kabuki Brush na try ko na hindi siya ganon na sobrang kumakalat yung product. Ito, parang winawalis niya kasi yung surface ng foundation. So, it caused, nagkakaroon siya ng fallouts. So, yun yung napansin ko. So, as you can see ito guys, so, sana kita siya. Nagpo-focus ba? I'm not sure kung nagpo-focus or yung mata ko hindi nagpo-focus. Anyway, ayan, nagkaroon siya ng parang rough, naging rough yung surface ng foundation. Hindi yan ganyan kanina, makinis yan. After I use this, naging ganon. So, when I applied it sa skin ko, medyo masakit to. Matigas kasi, so masakit. So, yung sa foundation naman, naka-moisturizer kasi ako kanina, diba? So, medyo malagkit pa yon. Hindi pa siya ganon kadikit. So, nung in-apply ko na siya, medyo na-tame down niya yung pagiging malagkit ng moisturizer. Tapos, yung regarding naman sa kanyang coverage, the coverage guys, hindi siya ganun kalaki. No? Para lang talaga siyang, ano lang talaga, powder lang talaga. Good for everyday use lang. As you can see, meron akong pimple dito. Hindi niya siya na-cover. Meron ako dyan. Yan. Yan. Tapos, hindi ko sure kung nakikita sa camera ko. Pero, ayun. Medyo na-highlight yung aking mga pores. So, I totally suggest that, of course, aside from moisturizer, apply primer as well. Para medyo, or blurring cream, para medyo hindi niya ma-emphasize yung mga breakouts or yung mga, yung mga hindi maganda, like yung malaking pores, ganyan. Try to apply it first before the powder. So, okay naman to guys. I think this is okay para maging finishing powder or parang setting powder. Oo. Or kung everyday lang talaga, okay din naman siya. Pero if you were aiming for something na fully covered yung mga blemishes sa face, I suggest that you use another product aside from this to do that. Okay. So, next is for the blush. I love the blush. Sobrang cool. I was aiming for a matte shade of this. Pero nung sinabi kasi ni ate na may highlighter po siyang effect, nagustuhan ko siya. Ayan. So, hindi mukhang flat lang yung face ko. Merong highlight, which is, I love. I'll go for this one every time. Kung bibili man ako ulit, I would love this blush. Itong Salmon blush. Sobrang, sa skin type ko, sobrang okay siya. And sa skin color ko rin, sobrang bumagay sa akin. So, I like it. And then, going to the eye products, yung eyeliner, saka yung eyebrow. I'm not an eyebrow fan kasi hindi ako maglagay ng mga eyebrow products. Kaya medyo nahihirapan akong magkilay kanina. Pero this one kasi guys, sobrang pigmented niya. So kailangan light lang yung application. And then creamy kasi siya eh. So dahan-dahan lang. I'm afraid na baka maputol. Yun yung kinatatakot ko. And then, I'm not sure kung ano to. I think, hindi. Ito na talaga yung product niya. Yan lang yun. So, pag naubos yan, wala na din talaga. So, be careful na lang, guys. And same thing with the eyeliner. Ganun din siya. Hindi naman to naiikot eh. So, ito na lang talaga, yan lang talaga yung products niya. Ang kinahirapan ko dito guys, hindi naman ako hirap gumamit ng eyeliner pen. Pero ang ayaw ko lang is maliit. So, ang hirap niyang hawakan. Ganun siya. And, tingnan natin. Hindi naman siya mukhang, oh no. Okay, so nag-smudge. Nag-smudge nga ba? Wait lang. Okay, so nag-smudge siya. Okay. So, I have oily lids. So, ang claim kasi ni ate, this is smudge proof. Pero, I'm not sure dahil ba kinaskas ko. Pero, ayan. Yun lang. Ayoko nung part na yun. Okay. Going naman sa lips. Yung lips, meron siyang, hindi siya transfer proof. So, nagka-transfer siya. And also, yung sa lips naman, although, supposedly matte yung finish niya, hindi siya drying. I can feel na yung lips ko parang siyang nagpa-plump. Ganon. Hindi siya yung feel mo na flat yung labi mo, na magda-dry. Yun ang tendency. Hindi siya ganon. Yun lang, hindi siya kiss-proof. So, nagka-transfer siya, guys. Okay? So, next is, did you notice any effects? Well, actually, okay na siya. For me, gusto ko yung shade no eyebrow saka no eyeliner. I think pwede kong gamitin eyeliner yung eyebrow product kasi parehas lang creamy. So, if I wanted something na natural lang, I will go for the brown. And if I want something dramatic, I will go with the black one. Kahit hindi na ako mag-mascara, parang nag-gano na kagad yung aking eyes. And then, of course, yung sa blush. Yung blush talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko, guys. Sobrang ang ganda ng kanyang epekto. Yung lips, okay din. Yung sa powder, I think I just need a different applicator. Maybe I will get yung puff talaga na pang face powder para hindi din nasasayang. Lastly, do I like the products? Yes, I answered that. Okay, I like the products, guys. Would you purchase it again? Well, this one, I will really purchase it again. I will try another shade of the lipstick. Meron ako nakita dun yung plum. Medyo violet siya. I already tested it out. Pag wala na yung product, or hindi na siya ganun ka-purple, mukha na lang siyang pink. So, parang long-lasting yung dating. So, I like that. I will still get this. And, if I would recommend it to you guys, sobrang okay itong product na to. If you wanted something na kaya nyong dalhin kahit saan, tapos totoo, effortless naman talaga siya. Effortless beauty kasi you can do this under 5 minutes. So, syempre kanina, medyo first time, kaya medyo matagal. But, if you get a hang of it, talagang kaya nyong maging perfectly presentable in under 5 minutes. Just by using the products ng Chihuahua Cosmetics. Anyway, this Effortless Kit, this is worth 949 pesos. So, if susumahin mo naman, parang from eyes to lips and face, ganun din naman siya kung bibilihin mo isa-isa yung mga products from other line or ano. Yung medyo hindi lang talaga ako convinced is yung para dun sa amount ng what do you call this? Foundation. To me, yung ganito kaliit, 239 pesos. There are other products na, or makeup line that offers the same amount, pero mas mukhang madami yung laman. Ganun. And then, yun, complete package na siya. And then also, dun sa eyeliners, dun sa mga eye products, hindi naman siya pwedeng gamitan ng sharpener para lumabas ulit yung another product. So, medyo na mamahalin ako dito for 129 pesos. Yeah. Okay? Okay, lovely. So, nag-enjoy ba kayo dun sa ating review ng Chihuahua Cosmetics? Siguro, yung iba sa inyo, naging interesado. Yung iba, medyo parang, I'm still thinking, ganyan. But, don't worry guys, actually, I have something for you guys. I have a surprise. I'm putting up a giveaway contest. And one lucky winner will get to take home a complete package of the Effortless Kit from Chihuahua Cosmetics. This is not sponsored by Chihuahua. It's sponsored by yours truly, guys. And this giveaway, I will put this up sa Twitter, on my Twitter account. So, if you're interested to join, just go visit my Twitter account. My Twitter handler is I am Super Suzie. It's IAMSUPERSUZIE. And then, just follow me. Then, look for the pinned post for this giveaway. Just comment anything about it. And then, just retweet it. That's it, guys. Just retweet it and make sure that I can see it clearly para maisali kayo sa giveaway. So, this giveaway will start right now. And this giveaway will last until September 25. So, one lucky winner. Yung winner will be announced din sa Twitter on September 30. So, just watch out. And para malaman nyo kung kayo ang mag-uwi nitong complete package na to. So, ito mismo yan. Okay? Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo dun sa ating mini tryout and mini review. And at the same time, sorry if the place or it's parang ang ingay ng paligid. Talagang ganun ang buhay. Maingay talaga. But I hope that you will continuously watch my other vlogs. I will post another vlog later on. And also, guys, dun sa mga interested to join the giveaway, just go visit the description section below para kung magulo man yung aking explanation ng mechanics para dun sa giveaway. So, good luck dun sa mga sasali and I hope to see you again on my next vlog. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. God bless you.